Hello students, today we are going to explore the world of angles. Angles are all around us and understanding them is crucial for various fields like math, science, engineering and even art. Diagrams of angles help us visualize and grasp those concepts more effectively. Let's start with basics. Angles are formed when two rays meet at a common point called vertex. Angles differ from each other based on their measurements. A right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It forms a perfect L shape. A straight angle is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Think about the second hand of a clock. When it completes a full circle round the clock face, it forms an angle. So far we have covered the following types of angles: acute, right and obtuse, to straight and full revolution. Now, what type of angle measures more than a straight angle but is less than a full revolution? An angle that measures more than 180 but less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. Now we are done with the 6 types of angles: acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex and full revolution. Can you think of the importance of knowing the different types of angles when constructing a building? Diagrams of angles help us in understanding geometric concepts, appreciate symmetry and beauty in art and design, build structures and bridges in engineering. As we explore angle diagrams together, remember that practice and patience are key. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek help when needed. Let's embrace the beauty and importance of angles and develop our skills in visualizing and working with them. In conclusions, diagrams of angles are a powerful tool for understanding and mastering mathematical concepts. By grasping these fundamentals, you will unlock doors to new discoveries and applications in various fields. Remember, learning is a continuous journey and I encourage you to keep exploring and deepening your knowledge. As we close this chapter, I leave you with the quote from the great mathematician Archimedes: "The whole is more than the sum of its parts."